Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys, how can we disable eyes protection mode setting in our Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to disable your eyes protection mode setting in your Samsung phone. So how can you disable it? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see guys, how can we disable eyes protection mode setting in Samsung phone. And friends, you can see screen color is different. So how can you solve this screen color problem? So when we will click on display setting guys, then guys scroll it. So friends, you can see guys your eye comfort setting means guys eyes protection setting guys this enable it. So when we will disable from here, after disable guys you can see guys your skin color will normal, and friends you can use your Samsung phone without this eyes protection mode setting guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. I hope friends you have understood how to disable eyes protection mode setting in Samsung phone device. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.